Good Furious Nation, welcome back to another video. My name is Furious Gamer. Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the error code on PlayStation 4 known as NP-41772-1, and basically it has something to do with game sharing or sharing PlayStation Plus or whatnot. And I'm about to just get right into the point and not leave you guys hanging with any other like stories or anything. So basically, you go to account management and you try to activate your PlayStation, your main account or any other account that you didn't have activated before as your primary. So you deactivate the account that you no longer want to do whatever with, and you go to another account and you try to activate it, and this is what it says right here: cannot activate this system as your primary PS4. Your account already has another system activated as your primary PS4. To activate this system, deactivate the other system. And right there, as you can see, NP-41772-1. So you press OK, and basically I'm about to show you guys how to fix this. So first off, you want to go to settings still, stay on settings, and go to users guide / helpful info. Click on that, and then go to users guide again. Wait for it to load. And now Furious Nation, once it loads, go over to settings right here, and then scroll down to account management right there, and then you should see a bunch of things down here. Now go to activate as your primary PS4 right there. Wait for that to load. And now Furious Nation, once all this information loads up, you're going to want to go and focus on this white part right here. Scroll down till you get to where it says when you cannot deactivate your system, and you see this second link right here, not the first one that says customer support, but the second one that says account. Click on that link, the second link right there, and wait for that to load. And now Furious Nation, after that took you to this screen, you're going to want to scroll down all the way till you see device management. It used to say other systems or other something, but now it says device management, so click on that. And as you can see, it says PlayStation systems and games in parentheses, and it tells you how many systems are activated. For me, it's 1. I'm not going to be doing this because I don't need to do this. This is just a tutorial to show you guys. I don't need to do this right now for me, but this is just to show y'all. So click on that. And then it says a link right here how to activate a PlayStation system. Don't focus on that, but focus on the black text right here that says you can deactivate devices that you no longer have by selecting deactivate all devices. And basically you click on deactivate all devices, and it gives you a little list of information right here asking, do you want to activate all your devices? Keep in mind guys, you can only do this every 6 months, so I'm going to click on it right now, and it's going to tell you actually you can only use the deactivate all devices function once every 6 months. So that's what it says right there. And so I'm going to back out of that. I already used it in the last 6 months obviously, so I can't use it right now, and I don't need to use it right now. But that's how you do it guys. I do not know if there's another way to activate a system like by itself. I really don't know. I mean, click on this, yeah, how to deactivate your PS4, that link, and then it tells you right here from the home screen, select settings, account management, activate as your primary PS4, and select deactivate. Now that's obviously simple instructions, but what if it doesn't work? So yeah, that's basically it guys. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all of that. Put a comment down below if this helped you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye guys. Stay awesome and stay furious. See you guys next time. Peace.